Persons belonging to middle class frequently find that their dependence upon credit, worsened by the collapse of the housing market, prevent them from maintaining the middle class lifestyle, making downward mobility to treat a counteract aspirations of upward mobility. This is the gravity, resistance, and unexpected condition I mentioned earlier. This group this group then experienced middle class income declining as jobs are lost, and for the first time in our history, we are seeing more men lose jobs than women because highly paid males are being let go in favor to keeping their less expensive counterpart. At the same time, the price of necessary items such as energy, education, housing, and insurance continue to increase while the wage decrease. This kind of squeeze always affect the larger group of people in the given population. The wealthy don't depend on income and debt. The poor will receive help from which the middle class don't qualify, and the poor will receive help from which the middle class don't qualify. For the most people, being middle class means having a reliable job with fair and good pay, consistent health care, and fairly comfortable home in nice neighborhood, a good education, whatever that means for the own children, time off for vacation. This is highly valued, and money in 401k that is growing and allowing for decent retirement. Yet all of this taken for granted so long is now into turmoil thanks to the housing implosion and credit collapse. The existing middle class is being squeezed and hopes at best to hold on or recover past achievement. This group average income is steadily decreasing. Its member job are in jeopardy, and their saving and investment have been put at a risk. The greatly appreciated vacation of the past will probably be more like to visit to the neighborhood park. The greatly appreciated vacation of the past will probably more likely to visit to the neighborhood park. What is the point of me telling you all this? Ask people in the middle class if this feels secure or desirable. And although they may claim that they are grateful not to be a poor, they will likely to tell you that they feel more like a member of working class than the middle class. Consider as well the fact that the dollar is worth less than today than it was yesterday and will be worth even less tomorrow. Someone who is making $60,000 per year, $50,000 in taxes, will pay the $15,000 in taxes. If that person is lucky, he or she will live with $45,000 a year, which is really worth only $32,000 for home, school, insurance, food, car, fuel, medical emergency, vacation, and saving. Does this sound desirable to you? Middle class was the dream sold to countless Americans as a good goal toward which they should strive. Yet in reality, it is really only close to good and probably better described as a mouse trap with a big fat piece of cheese on it. I contend the middle class is the most suppressed, restricted, or the confined socio-economic demographic in the world. Those who desire to be a part of it are compelled to think and act in a certain way, where just enough is the reward. The idea that one would only have enough to be comfortable or adequately satisfied is the concept that has been sold by the educational system, the media, and the politicians to convince an entire population of people to settle instead of strive for abundance. However, it only takes a bit of walking up to the discover that it is promising without fulfillment. Today, the wealthiest 5% of people control the 80 trillion which is more likely money than it has even created in the history of mankind. If you knew if you knew that you had the same energy and creativity to market it is to the next level, wouldn't you give a try? Before you read this chapter, what was your understanding of the middle class? I used to think that middle class have the decent lifestyle based on their paycheck, have the vacation 1 to 2 times per year. What are the income level of middle class? According to 2008 census data, the income level of middle class is between 35,000 to 60,000 dollar. And what are the income level of middle class? The income level of middle class in my country is from 30,000 to 80,000 per month Nepali rupees. 30,000 to 80,000 per month Nepali. 30,000, no, 30,000. Okay, 30,000. Let us consider 30,000 to 80,000. It can be low. It could be low. What does middle class mean to you now? Middle class is the mindset they are comfortable to pay bills and rent on paycheck and struggle during the health emergency and financial recession. Middle class. What does middle class mean to you? Middle class means the person who is just existing in this world, not surviving, only existing, doing the average work, earning average money, average level fitness, average health, average all thing average. That means middle class to me now. So I have to get over it, and I am trying hard to get over it. Thank you.